Alright, we're gonna go and sneak in the neighbor's yard and see if they can see us. Let's go.
Are you ready? Let's go.
Looks like they're up tonight. Yep.
Here, go.
Sneak down so we can't see you. Go. Can you see?
It's not there.
No.
Guys, get out of here! Get out of here!
Ring the doorbell.
Ring the doorbell here.
Oh, the old man is so weird.
Come on! Come on!
Who's up there? Go away!
Let's go back.
You trying to do it again?
No. Let's go. Come on, go. Here. Check if he's there. No. Ring the doorbell. Let's not do that again. Ring the doorbell, man. Ring the doorbell.
Who's out there? That's enough! Where is he?